So let us solve this new problem. This new problem states that sterling silver contains 92.5 weight% silver and 7.5 weight% copper. Copper is added to silver to make the metal stronger and more durable. And this is true. It usually happens with gold. A small sterling silver spoon has a mass of 100 grams. Calculate first the percentages of silver and copper atoms in this alloy, and B, the number of copper and silver atoms in this spoon. So let us start with A, the percentages of silver and copper atoms in this alloy. We want to know first gram moles of silver, and this will be equal to the 92.5 grams of silver over the atomic weight, which is 107.9 grams per mole. So grams will cancel with grams, and we have 92.5 divided by 107.9. That is 0.857. 0.857 moles. And we also need the gram moles of copper. In this case, we have only 7.5 grams of copper because the spoon has 100 grams and this is 7.5%. So it would be 7.5 grams of copper divided by the atomic weight, which is 63.55 grams per mole. Again, grams cancel with grams, and we have 7.5 divided by 63.55. That is 0.118 moles. This means that in total, in this spoon, we have 0.118 plus 0.857. So we have 0.975 moles. 0.975 moles. And since we want to know the percentages, it would be the atomic percentage of silver will be equal to 0.8575 moles, 0.857 moles divided by the total number of moles, which is 0.975. 0.975 moles. And this is 0.857 divided by 0.975. That is 87.9. 87.9%. And the atomic percentage of copper will be 0.118, 0.118 of copper divided by the total number of moles, which is 0.975 moles, and this is equal to 0.118 divided by 0.975, 0.1210, so 12.1%. And the total would be, of course, the 100%. Okay, so we have A, which is the percentages of silver and copper atoms in this alloy. Now let's go and solve B. So this would be A, now solving B. So for B, which is number of copper and silver atoms in this spoon, we already know that we have 0.857 moles of silver and 0.118 moles of copper. And we know that the Avogadro's number is 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms per mole. So in other words, the number of atoms of silver will be the 0.857 moles, 0.857 moles of silver times my Avogadro's number, which is 0.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms within 1 mole. So the answer is 0.857 times 6.022, which is 5.16, or let's say 5.16 times 10 to the 23 atoms. That's my solution. And for the number of atoms of copper, I go back to the previous answer, because we know that we have 0.118 moles. We have 0.118 of copper times 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms per 1 mole. So that is 0.118 times 6.022. So we have a total of 0.71. 0.71 times 10 to the 23 atoms. So within this spoon that weighs 100 grams, we have 5.16 times 10 to the 23 atoms of silver and 0.71 times 10 to the 23 atoms of copper.